Hi guys!
Hello. Where have we been?
Where have we been? We've been missing.
We took a break, like I said, but kept the TikTok tax going.
The TikTok tax.
We went fishing and she caught one. I forgot to turn the camera on.
I got to slime my new purple catch board that I got for Christmas, so that was super exciting. So babe, what are we doing today? That's what's important now.
Today we are going to go to the Queen City's first annual Expo in Charlotte. So that's going to be fun. I'm
so excited. I cannot wait to meet some really amazing people and see some friends that I hadn't seen in a little bit. And we're also going to be going and hanging out afterwards with some of our fishing buddies. So where are we going?
We're going to go to the
I forgot the name of it.
What's it called? The Charlotte Beer Garden.
Beer Garden. The Charlotte Beer Garden. So never been there. Super excited.
She's going to get to meet a lot of the people that she's never met before,
yeah,
which is awesome. Hopefully we get to have a whole group of us together and get some good video of it, and no fishing. We'll get to that the next time.
Yeah. But yeah, so just come along. Join us. We're here. We're finally at the Expo and I'm so excited. I gotta go find Tori because I'm gonna feel awkward not knowing anybody. I'm coming for you, Tori. I don't even know if they're here yet.
They're probably not here yet. Boy Scout setting up a grill.
Doesn't matter. They're here.
Right. It's where it is more action. Man, beer game is strong.
Right?
Mark!
There's my board. I have that sweatshirt.
You need that board.
She's got one.
I got that board.
Well, we found a purple sticker at Big Adventures.
Big Adventures, yeah. I was trying to say Rock Outdoors.
They didn't send a purple one with it.
I know.
They sent some camo flavored one.
Oh my god. I don't need another color.
Yes, you do.
I almost bought one time.
I don't know.
Look at this rod. Look at this rod. I want that rod.
I've been there trying to win one off the table for a while.
Oh my gosh. I don't know if the camera's gonna catch this, but that is absolutely beautiful. Wow. And it does look different.
It's gonna be a good looking rod when he gets done with it, for sure.
I wish it was my good looking rod. That's incredible.
Isn't that cool?
Outside.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah, I got that on video.
I love that reel seat. And they do it in 2 or 3 different colors.
The only
That's
problem
so awesome.
I have,
Look at the
I'm
purple's
so
my
rough
favorite
on
color.
rods that, man.
He's
Well,
very
get it.
rough on rods.
So,
I break one a year, don't I?
Yeah, I've never broken a rod.
Yeah, I'm not either. Now, I've shaved a couple guides off, but as far as actually breaking one, never happened.
There's the kayak cushion.
Yeah, they're over there on the.
I've never sat on one. Is it worth it?
I'm not either, but I feel that.
I was afraid to buy one at the cost. Tell you what.
That feels breathable too.
Yeah, see,
Like,
here's the thing. They strap to your
the
seat.
breathability thing for me, like I literally stick to everything on my seat when I'm
Right.
out there. Like,
Rise higher.
How's it going?
Lauren.
Nice to meet
Hey.
you. Hey,
Kinley, nice to meet you.
Just selling some shirts. These are screen printed transfers.
You know I need one of the purple shirts, right?
What's up, man?
Hey, Todd. What's going on, brother?
Oh,
Doing good?
I'm Lauren.
Hey, I'm Todd. It's my girlfriend here.
Hi, it's good to meet you.
Lauren and Kinley.
Meet you. You ready?
Oh, my bad, dude. We got a live scoop on there now, so we'll see how.
Oh yeah, so you're gonna be looking at a screen too, huh?
Hey, you know, I took it out the other day and played with it for a little bit.
You put it on the blue sky?
Yeah.
Oh really? He's got one of the like catamarans. It's got the two. It's like a pump.
And I was complaining the whole
There's
time.
his.
Oh yeah, I've seen pictures.
How does that do in the wind and stuff out there?
Oh, it's perfect.
Really?
Because you got you got two things in the water as opposed to one big thing. So I mean,
What about if like a wave hits you from the side? Don't bother you.
and if it does come over, you just go straight off.
I have pictures of him standing on the seat.
I can stand on the
And
seat.
the waves come by. He's just
Really?
able to fish
So
on
like
the seat.
when they're big, I can stand on the seat. So I'm on. You got the kayak, you got the seat, and I'm up here on the seat.
Yeah, it'd be hard to carry two of those though.
And then it got worse.
Weed City Expo first from the docks today. Releasing a brand new product.
There's Coco.
Hey, Will. How's it going?
Good, you? That's a star right there.
Hey, Lauren, nice to meet you finally. Have you met Bryce?
No, I haven't.
Nice to meet you.
Coco.
He's our mascot.
Oh yeah.
People are more interested in Coco than anything other than the hundreds of dollars on the table. They just want to see Coco. Yeah.
No, an hour and a half.
Oh, you almost bank shot it.
Give it another shot. Oh, did you get it?
It's a little light.
Oh, do one more. Go ahead and do two more. We'll just count the first two.
That's what I said. If I was going to do it, I brought a jig with the hook cut off.
Yeah, it's a little light.
Bye-bye.
Dude, grab you a bait, dude. No. Well, I'm just happy to see somebody that actually knows what they're doing.
You're gonna do Vinny's? I think so. If he makes it over, he's busy. I didn't know if he expected. I know he probably expected like amazing, but I don't know if he's gonna have time. He used to do them all the time. Back when he was all right, let's get you out.
That's wildlife. So
My brows are terrible.
down in the water under their dock.
They're what? My brows are terrible. I don't go get them. I fill them in. They're filled in.
People all the time, 'cause I
They look. You do a good job.
go close to that.
You do. Girl, you got nothing there right now.
Right now, barely. I try to keep up with it.
Somebody's without.
I don't know. I just feel like I can never do that right.
So how is life treating you? How's fishing going?
Good. I he hasn't caught any this year. I caught one.
Yes.
Kiwi on a drop shot. My first time throwing a drop shot. And it's like literally my favorite now. It's so fun.
Take that for me. So the only thing that I can see is this growl right here.
Yep.
So you want your growl to come out to about between this part of your nostril and the tube. So like just a smidge outside of that. This one's totally fine because you're right there. If you're able to grow that in, let that grow in.
What color do you normally use?
It just depends, but I picked green for the but first it was purple. It was like a very light shimmery purple.
Yeah. There's some hair on that.
There was, there sure was, you see. Yeah.
What are you grinning at? You want your eyebrows done?
Yeah. I'm trying to get the guys to do their noses.
You gonna do Vinny's?
If he makes it over, yeah. It's been
Hey, right there. That man right there. We got 2 stickers still to go on. How are you, bud?
Lauren. Good to meet you.
See you.
Alright, hop on up.
Down at
Yes, go for it. Yak attack.
look at all the A2s.
Holy moly. You got a whole thing.
Yeah. We got a bunch of those.
Appreciate it. What's the guy's name?
Where is Alan? Oh my.
This is my 7-inch magworm now, or a finesse one, whatever you want.
So that's like the Zoom trick worm there.
Okay.
So.
And that's my green pumpkin purple.
So do these sink or float?
A little bit of both.
Okay. The tail end, like,
Yeah,
what?
kind of float.
Because I know the other ones,
I did make any of the 6-inch, and I got still tons in here yet.
I know the other ones float.
These stand out so much on this table. They're like,
Because I drop them in I was dropping them in water at the house to see, and I noticed that those crawls float too, which is awesome.
Jim Worley came by and picked up 3 bags of these for me last night. He's fishing on Greenwood right now. Tournament.
So I
It's right there.
that's he's got to be in there somewhere.
Okay. Well, I've seen his stuff, you know. I've heard y'all talk about it. Nice. He got some great stuff.
Thanks, John.
You bet.
Hey,
How we doing?
good, you?
Doing good.
holy moly. That's insane. Guys, look at this.
Uh-oh, left-hand reel.
That's what I said. It's gonna sell. As soon as I pulled it out of the box, I said, "Uh-oh, if you brought left-hand reels, they're gonna sell today."
That's I don't understand reeling with your dominant hand. That doesn't make sense.
I don't get it either.
What a waste.
Are you serious?
You guys are too young to understand it. That's the problem. But no, seriously, my old ass, there was no such thing as left hand. We didn't have a choice.
Oh, I learned right hand.
If we were doing it, we had to.
Oh,
we
yeah?
had to do it. Cast right, turn it over, and do it right.
Wow.
It's the strangest thing in the world.
Dude, tried the new ballistic.
That new ballistic is retarded.
I can't even get it to stand up straight. It falls down every time I set it down because it's so smooth. The handle won't keep it up. It just immediately moves through. It reminds me of like a CI4, but actually nicer, kind of.
Yeah, your lady president ain't nothing compared to
Wow.
So you think that one's nice? Pick up the Procyon. The Procyon's $40 less.
I'm about to say it's cheaper, and it's basically, that's like an equivalent to the CI4.
Here, fill that.
There
It's
is
180, so it's cheaper than the CI4.
there is a massive difference between a high quality reel and a low quality.
Oh, I know.
That's pretty slick right there. That's right there.
I know, I saw it.
Will has on his.
It's really nice. I wouldn't mind having that at all.
I'd love to have one. They're expensive, but it's nice being able to do this right here.
Hey, how you doing?
Hey, how are you?
Hey.
Still very nearly as many rods as he does.
Yeah, we make a smaller model. We make some different models. We make some that you can spread out for trolling. We make a smaller crate for smaller kayaks and stuff that's only got 3 rods and sold out and everything. And they're all tracked.
Hi.
That's Michael. Good
to meet you.
Old Boondocks welder, aren't you?
Yeah,
Ah.
that's all I am, just old Boondocks welder.
He's old Boondocks welder.
At least you know they're done right.
I'll tell you what, that's a skill that I just dabble with.
Yeah, I wish I could do it.
Only as necessary.
Right, yeah.
I'm at work and something snaps off the machine, I'm going to put it back on there.
That's it.
All right, guys, so we just left the expo. We had an amazing time, and now we're headed to go have dinner at the Charlotte Beer Garden. Is that the name of it?
Charlotte Beer Garden.
Charlotte Beer Garden. So we're gonna meet Tori and Ryan Brenneman there. I don't know if anyone else is coming, but we had a really good time, and now we're gonna go have dinner before we go home and chat with some friends for a while. So yeah.